In this video, I'll show you how to add a dependent on TurboTax. Once you were on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and under 2025 taxes, you want to choose the first option, which is My Info. Now, once you click on My Info, in here you will see your personal profile. So in here you have your name on Your Info. If you click on the drop-down, at the bottom you will have a button to revisit. Now click on Revisit. Once you revisit, simply scroll down. At the bottom in the right corner, click on Continue. Now, that will take you to About Your Household. As you can see in here on Do you have any dependents? We can set it as Yes. In here, you can select how many dependents you have, and you can select up to 99. Let's say we want to add a dependent, so this will only be one. Click on the first option. At the bottom, if you click on Continue, at the bottom, Continue again. And then if we click on Continue, that will automatically take you to your personal profile again. As you can see here, we can add a dependent. So on your household, it will automatically set as the first dependent. We can even add another. So from here, if we click on Start, you can choose how you support your dependent. Let's say that this is your biological child. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now in here, you need to add the first name, last name, the date of birth of that dependent. You also want to add the citizenship. If you click on Continue again, you need to add your child's additional info. Now this will depend if you chose a family member, non-family member, or a child. In here, you can say that your child is your son or your daughter. If the whole time they were in the US, if you have written a verbal agreement with your child. At the bottom, if you click on Continue, that will take you to tell more about your child's situation. Again, depending on what you have chosen. In here, you can select all that apply. If none of these apply, you can now click on Continue. Now, this is where you need to add the SSN or ITIN. You can skip this for now if you don't have that. Now, once you have the info of your dependent, it will ask you if you need to change something, but that is the simplest way in order for you to add a dependent within your TurboTax account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.